Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Husqvarna TC125. This two-stroke MX bike just arrived with the excellent condition, 707 racing suspension in the front and rear. Beautiful condition. Come on by, make your two-stroke dreams come true. This beautiful TC125, priced to sell for just $69.99. We have financing available. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.